camera, action! Hi, this is SJ Conshweta from Mumbai. First, I would like to say thanks to Pidilite Fabricil for conducting such a beautiful TTC program. As my first point of contact was Abhishek, so thank you Abhishek. And then Aparna ma'am for sure, and Athira ma'am for conducting such a beautiful 4 days TTC program. And I would like to explain you about all this workshop. See, that was a 4 days workshop. That too very hectic, but I have managed to complete all this thing. Thank you to Aparna ma'am, because it's not only the project we have done. It's such a deep knowledge she has given us about all the projects. And soon, what is my plan? Soon I am going to open my studio after this corona by the name Bachpan Se Pachpan. And after seeing that Pidilite is conducting such a beautiful workshop, so surely I'll hire Pidilite teachers only for that. Okay, next now come to the projects we have done. First one I have done, that is a wheel color wheel. Then in this is a primary color, secondary color and tertiary color, and tints and shades also. We have used the flat brush technique. Flat brush, we have used flat brush one stroke technique. In one stroke we have to make the design. So I have made this flower. The same I have used, concept is the same for flower, but I have used the round brush technique, and that is in strokes, one stroke using a round brush. Now next we come to this is the Varley painting, that on wet techniques. We have to use wet technique, and then we have to paint this. That I have used fabric color, and we have to make it on cloth. Then next is a blue pottery. Blue pottery is one of my favorite. So we have made it using molded, fabrical molded, and then we have used that 3D outliner and acrylic color and glass color. Now next come to the fluid art. Fluid art I have used we have used the fluid technique, that we have to run the color, like I have poured the color, and Fevicol we have used in that Fevicol acrylic color by pouring the colors. And the next one, if we talk about, that is the dot mandala technique. I have used this dot mandala tools, and I have used the brush also for giving this wonderful effect, and that is the theme was a meditation. And next is Lippen art. Lippen art I have used fabrical molded and mirror, and that is a round mirror, and I have used kind of shading also to give the sun effect kind of thing. Next is a Talavera tile. Talavera tile, the same thing we have to do. For Talavera, I have used this canvas board, and again that acrylic color and 3D outliner. Black I have used 3D outliner, and then again we have to pour the glass color in this technique. And that is a stencil one. The stencil I have made it on bottle, the different kind of thing I have done. So I have made it on a bottle. That is a ready-made stencil. I have not made it, so that is our choice. So I have used the ready-made stencil. And the same, if you talk about the bottle, that is my old one. I have made it 2 months before. I have used the clay only, that molded clay. I have made that mermaid and giving that effect. I have put some kind of that glitter on this bottle. And that is a Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting, I have used the peacock theme I have taken, and that to the fabrical color I have used. And this one is that is our Mod Podge I have used, that is a decoupage technique, Mod Podge and tissue paper, and then again we have to apply 1 coat of a Mod Podge. I have used few accessories to highlight this box. That was the empty biscuit box lying at my home, so I have used this one. And now next come to the jewelry art. Jewelry I have made this. Pendant is totally handmade. I have the beads also have, this is handmade, but this is I have bought it from market, but all this is the handmade fabric. The painting we have learned, and the tie and dye technique. So this is a triangular technique, that's a Mosa technique. This one is a Leheria technique, that one is a round technique, and this is shibori that I have used OHP sheet in. Again this one is a shibori, and that is a dabu print. These are the mold I have made for dabu print, that is using the foam sheet I have made it. And this one is again the Pipuli art. We asked to make the lampshade, but I don't have that the bottom circle. I make it on later on, but technique I have used, and I have cut it. I have used the rose technique in this, the rose that cloth tie and dye technique, and cutted that cloth and pasted on this, and used mirror and 3D outliner also. And now next I'll come to this, that embroidery technique. Embroidery we have to make on black cloth. So we have used 7 techniques of embroidery in this. The Sindhi Taka, Fulkari, fish, chain, run in stitch, and we have all this we have made using 3D outliner. And that was in the tote bag, so using this technique, resist technique. And this one is a tote bag I have made it a vegetable bag. That was one is a Gond art. Gond art I have taken that, I have cutted that all these pieces of cloth using the neon color, and fish, then clouds, and then water, and then grass. Using 3D outliner we have given the highlighting we have done with the 3D outliner. And now that is we have been asked to make the toran, but I have used the different one. I have made the rangoli in this. So using the OHP sheet, I have used the OHP sheet, and then we have used the 3D outliner. Then we have filled glass color in this, and then we have pasted 2 OHP sheet, and we have cut it as per our design. So I have taken this design, but I have made the rangoli one. So in Diwali I'm surely gonna use this rangoli for my house. And the last one, we have been asked to make 2 articles of our choice. So when our choice come, so we want to do lot of experiments, creation. Although I have tried to do everything different way and presented everything the different way, the presentation and everything. Hope ma'am will like it. So that is a the fabric we have been asked to use. That is in a jhula I have made, but MDF cutout is a ready-made. I have bought it from market. Then I have used the glass color, 3D outliner, that mirror and the stones. All are glass colors only. And this is a jhula beads. I have done it all the glass color effect. And this one, the Bhagwanji Gaddi, I have made it using this one are molded. That Gaddi I have made it. And if we come to the non-fabric article, I have made this Laddu Gopal, the dress. That is a dress I have made it, Laddu Gopal dress, using velvet cloth and 3D outliner, stones, lace, and that is a non-stitch fabric. I have used fabrical glue in this to paste all this thing. So this is all about my project, and again would like to say thank you to all PG-like team, and I hope you like. I've tried to give my 100% as far as the presentation and work is concerned. So thank you once again PG-like for conducting such a beautiful workshop.